example is Ashraf Kasiri that was shot and is fighting for his life in intensive care unit. And everybody around me has been targeted with live ammunition. The reason why I am wearing a bulletproof jacket and a ballistic helmet is because I expect a live bullet targeted at me anytime. I have had to evacuate my family and sneak them out of the country because my family also has been targeted, and we had information that my children park on the side of the road. Officer, I am on a press conference, officer. You see, as we speak right now, I am being harassed by a police officer for simply parking on the side of the road to talk to the press. Officer,
can you drive off the vehicle? Start the car right now.
Officer, I am talking to an...
This is the Can you You have refused. Can you move now? No, you move. You can't move. You can't talk from there. Please move. No way. Move. You move. This is a highway. This is a highway. You move. You are capturing him with the highway. You are blocking other road users.
Hey.
As you can see,
This is a presidential candidate.
You are dividing them. This is an economic road. You are blocking it. Which international? Are we led by international commission? Please go and move.
sir, you are breaking the law. You want to see some of the
Don't push me. Are you saying all of it? Leave with this place.
Bobiwine. What